Many of our action mockups include a perfectly fitting PSD template, giving you a head start on your design work. Just a heads up, these PSD templates are not smart object layer mockups. They're specially designed to work with the actions that come with them. Here's an example on how to use the template and transform it to 3D mockup. The downloaded folder includes a PSD subfolder. Drag and drop the PSD files into your Photoshop workspace. Also, drag and drop the action to your action palette. Action file are the file with ATN extension. Now you can edit the flat 2D template by changing the text, images, background to your likings. After completing your edits, it's time to transform your flat template into a 3D mockup. Highlight the Render 3D action step, then hit play. Note that we skipped the Starter Template action step as we already got the template. Render 3D complete. You can only make changes such as adjusting the number of books, lighting, or other elements after completing the Render 3D action step. All the layers created by the action remain intact and are neatly organized and colored into group layers, one group for each book. Disable any of the layer groups to hide unwanted book units. Do this by clicking or unchecking the eye icon. You can create from 1 up to 16 book box set using this mockup.